Hey, what's up everybody? This is Franco from the Oncorage team, and today I just want to share with you guys a quick little video that I had in my heart for a while, and I want to talk about it with you guys, especially throughout this pandemic. It's been just so weird of that has happened throughout this entire year of 2020, we don't know. This could be the new norm of 2021, but as creatives, we got to stick together and we got to be there for one another. And I just wanted to start off with this year, I guess, video YouTube year, right? So I wanted to share just the foundation idea of Oncorage. We want to create a platform, a community-driven platform that equips, educates, and empowers creatives throughout this world and throughout this realm. Everyone, photographers, videographers, freelancers, musicians, graphic designers, you name it, anyone that can create. And I just wanted to elaborate on it. I know we did say within that idea to equip, to educate, and to empower, but I actually have 5 that I came up with. They all start with E's. It's pretty dope. And I wanted to share individually and to just share some thoughts about each one, and really just want you guys to think about it and to always remember this. Now the 5 I want to talk about is empowerment, encouragement, educate, equipped, and entertain. Now they're in that specific order for a reason, from being most important to least important, and I'll explain a little bit later why. But the first one is empowerment. Now empowerment is super crucial for being the foundation of this entire idea. To empower people, the definition is the process of becoming stronger in something or being significant in something. I took that as like just raw and just being, hey, if I empower somebody or just an idea, that's giving them, I guess, in a way, a feeling, a good feeling of just, hey, I could do this. Now, just a simple idea I want you to take off the word empowerment is just to make someone the hero. Make someone the hero for their story. If we start with that, then the next one, which is encouragement, could lead into other things. Now encouragement, again, just like number 1 is crucial, encouragement is very important because encouragement can create the community. And what I mean by that is if we encourage one another rather than, not give motivation out or just simply just work for ourselves, if the community is strong in encouraging others and empowering others, the community is going to be so good. It's going to feel good. People are just going to create really good stuff, raw stuff. And that's what we're all about, is just to create and have fun, right? And how do we do that? Well, that's the next one. We want to educate others. The idea is to educate, the education of this whole creative realm. Now, something I really want you to take out of this, the word educate, is to make service content, not selfish content. In the world we live in today, especially within the whole social media and YouTube and Instagram, Twitter, you name it, all this, everything we consume every day, we always see, most of it actually is just people look at me, rather than hear something I could give to you. And I think we should, as creatives, we should give more and expect less. And that's what all we're about. I think we should just keep giving more, which is education. And that education doesn't have to simply be tutorials or this is how I do it, this is how you should do it. It should actually just be sharing experiences, exchange experiences, which goes to my next one, is to equip people. How do we equip people? By exchanging experiences, by giving, hey, this is how it happened to me, or hey, let me help you because I've been through that. That kind of equipping can be so good, especially to someone that's starting off, but also so good to people that already have gone through that, because those people could actually be the equippers. They could help others. Now, I also want to take the word equipped and just put equipped. Just wanted to talk to this just briefly. Equipment doesn't make who you are as a creative. It's you. You are your only let back, I guess you would say. Equipment should not be the reason you're not creating. That's it. And then the last one is to entertain. The reason why this is the last one is because entertainment should be your last thought when creating something. Yes, as creatives, as humans in that matter, we want to be entertained. That's why how-tos are such great on YouTube. People want to know how to do stuff. The entertainment should be last for us, not first. It's the idea of service content, not selfish content, but I strongly believe that should be our mindset when we're doing stuff. But something that's cool about entertainment is that entertainment brings in engagement. It creates engagement, and that engagement is so awesome because that engagement creates community. Now, to end off, I did tell you guys that I put these ease in a specific order, and let me tell you why. Because if we go from first to last, we always have to remember like first being, you know, the most important and the last being the least important. Empowerment, encouragement, educate, equip, entertain. But if you go backwards, something that's really neat too is that entertainment brings engagement. And engagement is key, and we know that. Without engagement, we can't equip people with our experience, we can't share experiences, and those experiences teach people, which is to educate. To educate, that education brings encouragement, and then that encouragement turns into empowerment, and boom. Just a simple video for today. I don't know when you watch it, whenever you watch it, from here, from a week, from a month, to a year from now. I think it's very important to always remember just the fundamental idea, the foundation of why we do this. Something that I just want to talk to you before I start creating other videos of tutorials and this and that within the Oncorage community. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you especially for everyone that has continuously supported Oncorage and has believed in the team and this community, especially through this very weird and kind of scary time that we're living in right now. But I think, again, this pandemic could start as an empowerment to us all. So until next time, peace out, everybody.